Hi, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my videos, welcome. My channel features a lot of unboxing of luxury items and also mid-range. My unboxing features a lot of bags, SLGs, and sometimes the odd tech and luggage. Anyway, if you're interested in what's in that box, because obviously this today is a Coach unboxing, keep on watching. So before I unbox this item, I just want to encourage you, if you like what you see in this video, I want to encourage you to subscribe and support my channel. It's free. Press the notification button to let you know when I upload videos, and if you like what you see, press the thumbs up button to say that you like it. And let's get straight into this video. So this item came today. It came on Friday. The delivery guy apparently said he came and nobody answered the door, but I was in all day, so I'm not really sure what he was talking about. And he didn't leave a calling card, which makes me believe that I don't know what happened. Basically, I did complain to the company, and subsequently it was delivered on Monday, which is today. I think I'm gonna undo the box quickly, so apologies. The Coach, sorry, that was a notification that came in on my phone because I'm recording on my phone. So the Coach notification, sorry, I meant to say the Coach sign, as you can see, is upside down. That's because of the way I opened the box. I tried to open it so I wouldn't damage the box in case I had to return it. Unfortunately, I just got really impatient. So that's the item in the box there. It's got a seal. You can see that it's not in a dust bag. I know I've heard that there's reasons why it's not in dust bags. I don't know whether I heard somebody say it's not on Coach.com, basically. So let's have a look. So that's a bag, and inside the box, if I can show you, if I can maneuver my camera, there's some paperwork. So let's see what we have. So let's see what that is. Some kind of card. Oopsie daisy. And then it has these labels, return labels, I guess, in case you, oh, it's got my details in. So these are return labels. I'm going to open that. And the other items, it has a description of the bag. It doesn't actually have a receipt in it, which I'm a bit niffed about that. I'll look in the bag and see whether it's inside the bag. Anyway, enough rambling about this. It's in a nice cotton dust bag. The one I got from the outlet was a silk one. So the bag I got is the frame bag, and I got it in oxblood. So that's the dust bag. So inside the dust bag was the care instructions, and there was also this item. Inside this item is this item. It talks about ready to wear. I guess it just talks about the the brand itself. And this card has nothing on it. Oh, oh, interesting. The authenticity card. That's interesting. I've never ever actually seen that before. See if I can. So what you actually came to see, which is the bag. So it's got all this, try not to scratch it. So that's the label. And it says it's the frame bag. What does it say there? Made in Vietnam. Interesting. Very interesting. Take out all this packaging. Just have a look at the bag. There's a slight indentation on it. I haven't actually looked at it. At the bottom, oopsie daisy, it's got genuine, what's that? Leather glove. I can't read that properly. Right, I've just noticed it's got a scratch here, which I'm peed off about. So I don't know if you can see that scratch, which makes me wonder whether it was something that was returned. Hold on a second. So I could still see it. What I did was, sometimes when you rub the leather, you might not be able to see it, but I can actually still see it around there. So that's not good. But if you look from afar, you probably can't see it. That's why it looks from the side. It's got this Coach tag that a lot of Coach bags have, if not all of them. It's this brass kind of hardware, as you can see. And I'm not taking the handle off yet because I haven't decided what I'm going to do. And it opens like this. It's one of these 1950s bags. 50s. So let's take out all the paperwork. Maybe that might be some money inside. Never. Fun fact, one of my cousins said he was outside one of the stores, and he said he was standing, he was looking, they had all these boxes outside this retail shop, and he was looking in through the boxes, and one of the sales associates came out and said, "Don't go for there, there's normally rats inside there." And the guy left and ignored him, and he said it was there was a brand new electrical item. I think it was a laptop. So yeah, that was a fun fact. So that's it there. It's all leather. I don't know if you can see this properly. There's a pocket here. Opens like that. And then the interior, so you can probably see it better there. That's the interior. And it's got the new Coach label, which is on all their bags. And I quite like this actually. And then zipper pocket here. And inside the zipper pocket, there's this kind of cottony kind of material. See there? It looks like some kind of linen. I can't see. Oh, that's a leather tab there. Put that in there. And this, I believe, is a leather tab. I'm going to take that off. Let's see what's on the brassware. So here, I don't know if you can see it, it's got, on that pull there, it's got Coach written there. Where else did I see Coach? So it's somewhere else. Oh, that's come off. Right. So it's got Coach written on there. And it's also got Coach written. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. There you go. There. And I don't know whether you can see there, it's also got Coach written on the strap here. There's a back pocket here. It's got the same lining as it has inside. So you're probably wondering, and yeah, it's got a long strap top handle there. As I said, I'm not going to take it off yet because of that scratch. I'm going to see, but I can rub it out properly to make sure that it doesn't, it's not obvious. So you're wondering about the price. So the bag actually cost, hold on a second. So the bag cost £297.50. It was twice that. I'd seen it, I think I saw it last year. Was it last year? I think I saw it last year and it was 300 and odd pounds then. So it's actually gone down to half price. I've been watching it on the website. I did notice that they had a 20% off extra, and at that time I didn't really notice that this bag was available. Yeah, I could have got some more money off, but the thing about Coach bags is when you see them, you have to grab them, because there was another bag that was meant to come with this one and it was sold out before I could get my hands on it. So Coach bags, the quality, I mean, look at that. Look at the quality of their bags are. So it was only last year when I went to the States and I went to the outlet that I realized that Coach quality bags are, the quality, sorry, is absolutely amazing. So yeah, so I think it's a kind of box leather. The only thing that's bugging me is this scratch here. I guess in the scheme of things, it's 200 and it's gone down half price. Is that a big thing? Probably not. And that's the only part of the bag that's scratched. Nothing else is. Let's double check. Yeah. Other than that, no. So that's my unboxing, guys. Sorry it was haphazard. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing before I get on with my day. The only thing I'm surprised about, the receipt's not in the bag, which is a bit strange. I guess I have a receipt online. I will contact Coach to find out whether that was a mistake or what. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments box below. Just to let you know, Coach are continuing their sale up until the 31st of August, I believe. That's the last day of their sale. If you're lucky, if you see anything on the Coach website, you might be fortunate enough to get a further discount off. Sometimes they do that. Like I said, they were doing a 20% off at the time. I was looking for a different bag and that was sold out. Had I seen this bag, I probably would have bought it and got some extra money off it, but you live and learn. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as I said, if you've enjoyed what you've watched, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. By the way, if you want me to do some mug shots, I will. Obviously this video has gone for too long, so I don't want to bore you with doing that now. But if you want some mug shots or you want a further review of this bag, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.